dimensions. We can also add relationships between different sketches. So let's take for example, if I select these two circles, you notice there are different relations that I can create for these two sketches, such as making them tangent or concentric, or simply making them of equal diameter. So just click on equal. You notice this little green icon will show you that they are equal. Hit OK, and there you go. The sketches have turned black in color. Okay. Now that I have the sketch created, let us now go to Features to create our extruded cut. So I just go to Cut, okay, and we can do a through all cut. Okay, and over here you notice that as I did the cut, this flat face is not in line with this face over here. Never mind, we can always play with all these different end conditions. Instead of doing a through all condition, I can do a mid plane condition. Okay, all I need to do is just drag this arrow out to see a preview of the cut that I'm creating. So if I'm happy with this preview, hit OK. I should be able to see the holes that are created. The next feature that we will create will be a little boss, right, sitting on the top face over here. Now, instead of sketching on this top face, I'm going to create my sketch on the front plane. Okay, so once again, to create the sketch, select the front plane, go to the Sketch tab, and click on the sketch icon. And if I like to go normal to this view, go to View Orientation and click Normal to. Okay, so in this next portion, I'm going to start by sketching a circle somewhere here. And this circle is supposed to be 20 mm in diameter. So I go to 20. Okay, it is supposed to be 30 mm from the top edge and 70 mm away from the hole on the left. There you go. Okay. Now next, I'm going to sketch a circle around it. So if I click a circle, move my mouse to the center of the circle, and sketch another circle. Okay. Let's dimension this. Okay. Now, for this case, instead of adding a diameter dimension, okay, maybe I want to put a dimension between, I want to specify a distance between these two circles. All we need to do is just click on these two circles, and there you go. You get to specify the distance between them. So for this case, let's put a 20 mm difference between them. And there you go. You got something like that. Okay. And I'm going to sketch two straight lines tangent to this edge over here. So just move my mouse somewhere here, click on here, and drop a line onto this horizontal edge. And let's repeat the same thing on the other side. Go to line. Okay, start my line somewhere on the arc and drop the line onto the top edge of the 3D model that we have created. Okay, and let's make these 2 points horizontal. Okay, so if I want to add a relation, once again, you go to Add Relation, select the points, edges, or arcs that you want to add a relation to. Okay, and for this case, these 2 points, I want them to be horizontal. Okay, there you go. Right. Now, at this stage, I would like to trim away the edges that I do not require. Okay, for this case, I do not need this bottom arc here. Okay, so to trim away different sketch entities, we can always use this tool here under the Sketch tab called Trim Entities. So just click on it. Okay, select the bottom icon called Trim to Closest and trim away the bottom arc. Okay, so let us now close off this sketch by sketching a line, okay, between here. And Maybe adding a dimension. Let's make the length 60 mm. Oh, that looks a bit odd. So instead of having the top distance as 20 mm, okay, maybe I can change the top to 10 mm. Ah, there you go. It looks nicer. Okay, now that we have the sketch created and the whole sketch is fully defined, we can add a thickness to it by using the extrude command. So I go to features, go to extruded boss base. Okay, instead of extruding the sketch to one direction, I want some form of symmetry. So just extrude this about the mid plane, and the thickness should be 20 mm. So I go to 20. Okay, see a nice preview in yellow and hit OK. Okay, we are almost done. So the very last step before we finish off this model will be to add a fillet. So I click on fillet, click 10 mm, and we will insert a 10 mm fillet on this edge over here and this edge over here. So once you're happy with the preview, hit OK, and there you go. We have completed the strut. Make sure you save your files regularly. So for this exercise, I'm going to save this as strut. Okay, so I just put strut. Click on save, and there you go. Congratulations, you have completed your first part in SolidWorks.